Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Chandu Lal and I am currently pursuing a BBA Business Analytics at Sacred Heart College, Thevara. I recently completed a 30 days 240-hour internship at Skoliko, an AI-driven education company focusing on bridging the gap between academic learning industry needs through the practical and hands-on training. As a part of this internship, I worked on a project titled Unicorn Startup Analysis using a Microsoft Power BI. The main objective of this project was to analyze the companies valued over $1 billion and identifying the pattern in funding, valuation, industry growth, and global startup trend using the data analysis and visualization technique. Through this project, I explored the important questions such as what drives difference in funding level among startups, why do regions like Silicon Valley consistently producing successful startups, and what factors help some startups reach unicorn status faster than the others. To complete this project, I used a Microsoft Power BI for a dashboard creation and a visualization, and the Power Query for data cleaning and transformation, and a DAX for a calculation and KPI analysis. The process started by importing the CSV dataset into the Power BI. After importing, the data was cleaned by removing the duplicates, handling the missing values, and correcting the data types for dates and a numerical field. I then created an interactive dashboard using KPI, cards, slicer, chart, and table to convert a raw startup data into a meaningful business insights. Some of the visualization I use includes a stacked bar chart showing a country with the highest number of unicorn startups, a year-over-year chart tracking the growth of a unicorn companies, a pie chart representing the continent-wide startup distribution, and a waterfall chart comparing the company's valuation across the continent. From the analysis, I found out that the United States has the higher number of the unicorn startups. The technology startups receive the highest share of the investment. On average, the startup takes around 6 to 7 years to become a unicorn, and the year 2021 recorded the highest number of new unicorn startups in the dataset. This internship helped me in the strengthening my skills in the data analysis, dashboard creation, DAX calculation, and a business intelligence, while also giving me a valuable exposure to the real-world industry project. I would like to sincerely thank Skoliko for giving me this mentorship guidance and for providing me with this wonderful opportunity to apply classroom learning into a practical environment. Thank you.